Hey everybody, today we're going to be making some smoked jalapeno pickled eggs for my mother's channel. I think you're going to really enjoy it. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit like on the video to support her channel to help make it grow. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making, again, smoked jalapeno pickled eggs, which is inspired by my time living in Texas. In Texas, they frequently make deviled eggs and they put them into the smoker. It takes about 12 hours to get these things done. I think I found a shortcut for how to do this, and we're going to try it out, and I think you're really going to like it. So the ingredients are pretty simple. What you're going to need is a small white onion, and in this case you're going to chop it or slice it. You need 1.5 dozen hard-boiled eggs, some liquid smoke, some peppercorns, 12-ounce jar of jalapenos, or you can go ahead and make them up yourself if you want to, slice them up. This is mustard seed, dill seed, some salt. Salt is optional, you don't have to use it. Of course, some distilled white vinegar. If you want to use it, we have some Tabasco or any hot sauce that you might like. And then of course, about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 cups of white vinegar and you're going to add it to 2 cups of water, and you're going to prepare it in a saucepan because you're going to bring it up to a boil. To your vinegar and water mixture, you're going to go ahead and add your peppercorns, your mustard seed, your dill seed, and your optional salt at this point. You're also going to go ahead and add your garlic at this time as well. Go ahead and add half a teaspoon of your liquid smoke to the mixture. You can be a little liberal if you want to and add a little extra if you want, if you like that extra smoky flavor. And then go ahead and add your jalapenos as well. The last thing we're going to add to our mixture here is our onion. We're going to go ahead and pitch that right on in there. Oh, that fell out. All right, so now we've got everything that we're going to add to our pickling marinade. We're going to go ahead and put that onto the burner and bring that up to a boil for 15 minutes. We're going to make sure it's good and clean and sterile, and we're going to show you what that's going to look like on the other side of this. All right, so once it's boiled for 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and bring your marinade over, take it off the heat. Then what you're going to do is you're going to realize you've got your garlic and your onions. Those are going to be still large whole chunks. It's not something you're going to easily be able to pour in. So you're going to have to spoon that out, and then you'll pour the marinade over the top of it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so now that I've got the marinade inside the jar with all the eggs, you can see it brings it right up to the top. But if you need to fill it up with a little bit more vinegar just to kind of top it off, then go ahead and do that. And of course, now's a good opportunity if you want to go ahead and add your hot sauce. No more than, say, 6 drops would probably be sufficient. Again, you already have jalapenos in here. In this case, 12 ounces of jalapenos. So this is going to be plenty spicy. But it should be a really, really, really good flavor when it hits your mouth. We're going to go ahead and let this rest for 7 to 10 days. I'm going to put it into a refrigerator, and we'll give it a tasting test in 7 to 10 days. So our smoked jalapeno pickled eggs have been marinating for 7 days. It's time to give them a try and to make sure that they pass the test. And we're going to go ahead and open those up. We'll notice that most of the vegetable stuff up here, the onions and the garlic and the jalapenos are up on top. So the eggs have been sitting underneath this the entire time in my refrigerator. So we're going to open these up, we're going to slice them, and we're going to show you what it looks like and what it tastes like. I'm sure you're going to love it. So I have a taste tester here with me, my wife. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to try out these jalapeno smoked pickled eggs and see if they pass the test.
They look really good.
They look really good. Let's try them out. We got some eggs over here. I've sliced them. Some of the veggies over here so we can put them together. Let's just try it with just the egg first.
1, 2, 3.
It's really good. It's really good.
This is really good.
Wow. Yeah, no, it's actually pretty mild. It's pretty mild. It has a good vinegar, a little bit of heat. I think that it would actually go really well with one of these jalapenos. So
yeah, well, here's the veg that goes with it. Put one of those on there. I'm going to try it with that. And then there's onions and garlic. All right, I'm going to try it with this.
Go for it. What do you think?
That totally adds to the flavor. And I bet you could like double this and like chop up these pickled vegetables, like the jalapenos and the onions, and mix it in. That would be bomb.
Yeah.
Really good.
When you eat it with the vegetables, it's pretty incredible. This is a must-try recipe. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. Wow, I'm probably gonna eat a couple more of these when we end. When we end the video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and continue supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.